So let's take a look at this trailer we got going on here. The last video, we were working on removing right here. There was outriggers right here. And there was one right there, and one right there, and one right there, and on the other side the same thing. So we got all the outriggers cut off of this trailer. There was some, if you look down inside here, I think it was right here, there were some braces that was bolted in that went from there to right there. There was one that went from right there over to right in here somewhere. So we cut those out. There was one that bolted in, that was this one. These were just pieces of angle iron, about 3/16 thick, I think, maybe an 1/8. But anyways, what we're gonna do with these is I gotta weld 3 of these back in. So that one's gonna go right behind where that tongue is, right there. And in between these tires, we got the 2 tires right here. So we're gonna find center right about here, about right here, I guess, and weld one in between the tires from there to there. And then there's gonna be one that welds in between this bumper here and that piece there. Now this one's in here, but this is down low. This is down low, so this is for side to side support. And I want something up high, so when I put my decking boards on, I got something to bolt to. So we got this one here, and we got the bumper. I'm gonna weld one in the center from, yeah, about here to where that dog is standing at right there, in that area. We gotta weld 3 of them in. We've already cut these sides off. If you remember, they had the, like an outrigger looking thing that stuck out here, stuck out about to here. Cut them off on both sides, so it's squared the whole way back through. The front is primered. I sanded the front down and primered it, so it's ready for paint. The rest of it I'm not gonna primer though. I'm just going to go ahead and paint it, because I'm not wasting my time with the primer on that. Up on the tongue here, originally, I was going to cut this whole tongue off and replace it. And the reason was I didn't think I could get a replacement one of these things. And I can, so I ordered one of those. It's on the way. And then I was able to get this jack out, surprisingly. I got a new jack on the way. So we're going to replace this and replace this. So we're going to have to replace this tongue here, or whatever this is called. So we sanded it down and got it in primer, and we're going to paint it also. And the whole thing, this is all sanded down. So I took some flat disc on this thing and sanded all this down to as close as I could get to bare metal. It's not really bare, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. These sections here I haven't sanded down yet, but I'm not painting them yet. We're going to get the frame rail painted today. We got the tongue completely painted, and we got most of the trailer painted except for the cross members. If you look at these, they still need sanded down. I could probably just take a wire brush, hit them real quick, and put some paint on them, and I might do that in a minute. These ones aren't bad either. The bumper I didn't paint at all because I'm not sure if I'm keeping the bumper on here or I'm going to cut it off. If I keep it on, I'm going to paint it black. If I cut it off, then it's going to be gone. We got the sides of them done, the top, the bottom, and the inside. Everything's painted. Everything's dry. I left this thing brown. I'm going to paint it black. This is primer. I'm going to paint it black, but I'm going to wait until I get my new jack and this piece here. When I get them 2 pieces to go on, I'll go ahead and paint this. We got 2 wheel wells we got to put on. I haven't bought the wheel wells yet. I got to pick those up, and I got to run wiring. So I got to run a wire through that hole run it back through to the back there, hook up 2 brake lights. That is it for this video. If you check the links in the description below, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.